Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yeah, yeah, it's clear, sir. But just one request on the top right hand side, three options, no, sir. Can you maximize it on the middle option? Can you just click on it on the top right hand? Yeah, yeah, yeah. That the middle one, sir. Middle center one.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah. It's better
Okay,
now.
what? Right now it was clear.
Yes, it's
Okay.
clear now.
No, sir,
Uh,
it's not clear. Actually,
it's a
we are
half of
seeing
the
two
screen
screens.
now.
Yeah.
Half of the screen, two screens. Uh, Half of the screen we can see SAP screen. Half of the, yeah. Now
Yeah,
it's
it is.
visible, clear.
No, it's good.
It's good,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, as in the last session we have done some configuration. Okay. In this session, now we'll post transaction. Okay. By using transaction code either FB50 or F-02. Right now we are in SAP ECS as a screen. So right now we are not required /n or /o usage. So I'm using directly FB50 right now. Okay, please give me a moment, guys.
Yeah, font size need to be reduced, sir. If you can please take 14. Thank you so much.
Okay, right now it was clear for me. Okay, one more time. I'll use /n FB50.
Sir, our company code is 12ES, right?
Actually in the last, I mean in on date of 9th. Okay, I have changed my server. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that is the main reason. Okay,
Okay.
I'll select the document date, guys, or EF header text. Okay, right now I created one salary account, so I'm entering here being salary paid or expenses paid. I'll select GL account. It was my chart of account, it was 1210. So I'll select one salaries account, and for paying salary I'm using entry that the salaries account data to bank. Okay, I'm entering amount 1 lakh. Okay, now I'll select one more ZL. Continue. For paying salary, for expenses payment, entry will be expense account data to bank. So right now I'm selecting bank account. Credit. I'm entering here plus. Okay, right now I'll click enter. Okay, I'll select the value date being expense payment. Okay, just give me a moment, guys. I can't see the properly. Okay, salaries account. Okay, salaries account data to bank account, select credit, amount 1 lakh. Okay, I'll select the value date, being expense payment. Okay, you can see here debit and credit are equal, so now we can post it. I'll go to the document, stimulate. Okay, it was that salary account data to bank account. No problem, guys. I'll post it now. You can see here document 3 was posted in company code. Okay, now the thing was good. Now you can see here document 3 was posted in company code. We'll check this document for display document.
Sir, do you want me to note down it on notepad, sir?
Okay guys, in the first step we are done. We raised one invoice. For raising an invoice we use T code to raise invoice or to post a document. We had used the T code FB50 or we can use F-02. Okay, to display document, to display document, we use T code FB03. Okay, by using transaction code FB03, okay, we'll check the document. Okay, now you can see here document 3 was posted in company code. By using transaction code FB03, you can check it. Okay, I just entered my base 03. Guys, I'm not in SAP access screen, so that is the reason I'm used slash n and slash o. Okay, by you how when we wants to use slash n and slash no slash o, I had explained you guys, so I'm not explaining right now. Okay, this is the document number. Fiscal year I will select 2022. It was okay. Now I'll click enter. You can see here this is the document, salaries account data to SBI bank account. Okay, now guys, here right now, okay, this is a document. Okay, now anyone please tell me, actually when we created GL account, when we created GL account under under create bank or interest, under create bank or interest we had choose and fill status group. Now why it was required?
Each and every GL have a specification of fields
Okay,
related for belongs to which group it belongs to. Shit.
Basically, it is
Sir,
required to suppress or uh,
actually, it defines the
required
category of the
status or
postings.
optional.
okay,
It will define it's a predefined number, sir, but it will define the category of the numbers like vendor reconciliation or customer reconciliation we want to do. So according to that, it will come, sir.
okay. Okay, guys, under the one field status group, we can see here some of the field status were field stat under one field status variant. Okay, we can see some field status group around 41 to 48. You guys can see. So now I'll just go to Z001. In most of the cases, we can see it now. You can see here under general data. When actually, when we posted a transaction through FB50, or now we'll check with F-02. You guys can see here. Okay, I'll choose one more thing. Just wait, guys. After entering line item, okay, these things are not required. Account I'll select. Again, I will select salaries account. Okay, guys, here you can see business place, segment, profit center, assignment, quantity, all those things. Now, you guys can predefine. You can you can define here text. Actually, here in field status variant 0001, text was mandatory for field status group Z001. If we kept optional or suppress, okay, it was not mandatory. But if you kept as a required, at the moment you has to mention there. Okay, so that is the reason I stopped you guys to explain this thing. Okay, now I'll enter here 20,000 and posting key 50, and same again I'm using salaries account data to bank account. Okay, I'm entering here store. I'll select a value date being salary paid. Okay, now I'll go to document. Guys, with F-02, you guys can hold a document. Okay, with F-02 or a B52, directly you guys can hold a document. Now, guys, I'll tell you. For holding a document, we guys has to give a temporary number. Guys, you may get one thing. When we wants to hold, is it required? Guys, actually the thing is, sometimes depends on some factors like approvals. Okay, in some cases we guys has to hold a document. In order to hold a document, we guys has to give a temporary number. So I'm giving a temporary number as 1212. It was my company code, and the next number it was 01. Okay, this is a temporary number I'm giving. Okay, I'm now clicking on held a document. Guys, now I'll go to the transaction code FB03, and you guys can't find. Okay,
Sir, if you will just mention the document number, it will come, no, sir. No need to mention the company code and here, no, sir.
what's up?
Will that be fine? If you will just mention the document number, then the data will come, sir, in a B03.
Actually, I require all the data. Okay, in
Okay,
this
sir.
company code, we just had only three documents. Okay, in this company code, we had only three documents. Okay, guys, this is the document earlier what we raised, and actually, I raised this document for testing purpose. Okay, for test purpose, I used this. Okay, guys, when we post a holding document, it will not reflect it to any. It will not give any effect to our financial statement. Okay, And now we'll post this held document by using transaction code F-02. Now I'll go to document, get held document. I'll enter temporary number, it was 121201. Now I'll click on, guys, here, okay, you can see here now salaries account data to SBI bank account 20,000. Now this held document I can park now. Okay, but I will post this right now. You can see here document 4 was posted in company code. Now again we'll check these documents by using FBL3N for line for GL account, uh, okay, for GL outstanding amount. Okay, but I will check through, sorry, FBL3N, it was for line item display. Okay,
FBL finance, sir.
sir, actually for
That
GL
is the
document,
vendor line item. Sorry.
for
Vendor
GL
line
it
item.
was FBL3N, for vendor
Yes.
FBL1N, for
Yes, sir.
customer
FBL 5.
FBL5N.
5N.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll select all items. Okay, I'll click on execute option. Okay, these are the documents. Okay, 20,000, 1 lakh, 10,000 and 1,000. This 1,000 and 10,000, these both are test documents. Okay, guys. Now, right now we entered this 20,000. We held this, actually we held this document, and for a held document we had given the temporary number, but this temporary number it was not reflected here. We changed the held document and posted this held document. At the moment it was taken automatically the document number 4. The reason is, in FBN1 for XA document for 01 we had selected 01 to 100. That is the reason it was taking order from 1 to 4. Right now, till now we are posted 4 document. That is the main reason. Okay, now again we'll go. Okay, now we'll park one document.
F-65, sir.
I have dash 65. I'll select document date. Then I'll give reference. Header text same, being salaries paid. Okay, account it was 4 lakh. Amount I'm selecting now 3 lakhs. Posting key 50. Account 2 lakh. Amount store here for bank account. Okay, guys. Now guys, just wait a moment. Okay.
Sir, actually, creation of profit center and cost centers, is it not mandatory?
Actually, guys, we are not, okay, we are not created we are not integrated the cost controlling partner right now.
Okay.
Okay, so it was not required. And one more thing, in field status group, we maintained profit center as well as cost center as uh, optional. Okay, it was not required. That is the reason it
Okay.
was not throwing us error.
Okay, sir.
Okay, super sir. I'll go to a position and I will enter it 1 2 1 2. Okay, just to give me a moment, guys. Feels clear variant alternate. Field status variant it was 1 to mn. Okay, we'll check this slash n ob c4. I'll go to position and I will enter field status variant it was 1 to mn and I will select this. Guys, for bank we'll select Z005 bank accounts obligatory value date. Okay, here you can see we maintain for SBI bank account value date as optional and text also optional. Okay, we'll check this. Okay, you can see here text as optional. We maintained as optional. If we maintain required entry, okay, it will change automatically. So I'm moving it as text as required entry. We'll come back. Okay, I'll go with the additional accounts assignments. Okay, not required now. Okay, I'll go directly. I'll go to okay. Here you guys can see value data as required value data as a required entry. That is the reason here. Okay, while we uh, okay while we went for this step first time it was showed as mandatory. Right now it was not okay, if we will not make anything here, if we will not give any input, actually right now we will select a value date as a mandatory now. Okay, I'll give text salary paid. Now I'll go to document.
Sir, amount not mentioned.
You can see here amount is 0, line item will be ignored. The reason is here okay, just give me a moment, guys. Okay, we'll skip this value date and the text in the next phase, then we'll get one error message. Now I'll save this. Okay, I'll enter here as store. Okay, I'll go to document. Now I'll park this document. You can see here park document 5. Actually, for held document it was taken automatically, but for parking a document, okay, sorry, for held document we had given inputs as a temporary document number, but for parking document, okay, it will take from SA document number. Both parking and holding document it will not reflected in our financial statements. Now I will post this park document. Okay, I'll check with. Okay guys, no problem. I'll go with the transaction code FB Vivo document 5 FB V0 guys.
V0, sir. Yes.
You can see here, this is the work document, salaries account data to bank account. The amount was 3 lakhs. Now, okay, one more time. I'll go with the transaction code FBL3N slash O FBL3N. Okay, I'll select all items and I'll click on execute. Now you guys can't find the document number 5. Okay, I told you guys, parking document and holding document, it will not reflected in your financial statements. Now once if we post this pocket document, it will be reflected there. You can see here document 5 was posted in company code. It was in green mode. If it was red, then the error, it was a, you can assume that it was, it contained some errors, or it was rejected by some higher officials. Guys, actually we parked the document due to some reasons like power failures or urgencies, some urgent meetings. Okay, and these are the some couple of reasons. Okay, now we'll check this document again. Okay, you guys can find now document number 5, 3 lakh. Okay, now the thing is, we'll create one open item management, or we'll create one outstanding ZL account for salaries. Okay guys, now I'll go with the transaction code. I'll go with the transaction code FS00